Just imagine there is a totally synthetic bowling pin. Just imagine this pin has a longer life than conventional wood pins. This bowling pin already exists. Development work on this started more than 35 years ago. Approval by the USBC for tournament sport was obtained more than 8 years ago. Today, a quality product proven many thousands of times over, with the lowest overall cost per game for the proprietor. The Twster pin from the Optimaire company is known as the only fully synthetic bowling pin with USBC approval, a sophisticated high-end product made in Germany. Since being launched onto the bowling market over 8 years ago, Twster experiences an increasing popularity and acceptance worldwide thanks to its many advantages.
Scoring of the Twster pin is phenomenal compared to other wood pins. The Twster pin gave us the highest scores in the city of Cincinnati in the year 2002. We had the most honor scores of any bowling center in Cincinnati.
As a reliable pin in sport bowling for tough daily use around the clock, or as an official bowling pin on tournaments such as the ABC Championships in Reno 2001 and 2004, in numerous ABC Masters, or in the Weber Cup in England, more and more bowling proprietors view Twster as the bowling pin of the future.
The PBA has let us use the same Twster pins for the last 4 years, not only because of the longevity, but also for their scoring ability. And we'll see them again this year for our 5th year, and hopefully on our new Twster pins. We would have bought 200 cases of Twster pins, actually 400 cases of Twster pins in the last 4 years. We've only purchased 100 cases. So you add up the math, that's a savings of 300 cases.
The low overall costs per game due to its exceptional durability and ease of maintenance, as well as its consistent scoring, make the Twster story a success story. Decisive for its success was the development of a suitable material and the manufacture of the appropriate production machine. As part of the Jaeger Group, the Optimaire company counts as one of the pioneers in the field of two-component rubber-to-plastic bonded parts, focusing on the supply of the German and international automobile industry. Based on the same high standards as for the automobile industry, the state-of-the-art injection molding machines at Optimaire permit a 3-shift operation for mass production of more than 2,000 Twsters per day. The fully automatic moulding process of the blanks with short cycle times, filling whilst simultaneously setting the pin balance and total weight, as well as burning in of the permanent laser inscriptions using a high-power industrial laser, in connection with pin handling by industrial robots, guarantee a short production time with simultaneous maximum flexibility and minimum manpower. Test routines in accordance with the USBC specification document the constant product quality. Amongst other criteria, protocolling of the contour accuracy of each production batch using a program-controlled 3D coordinate measuring machine, as well as the scanning of the base diameter inclusive of edge radius, and the calculation of the radius of gyration after determination of the moment of inertia, ensures the persistently constant scoring characteristics. Customer support as liaison between the commercial and technical consultation guarantees a customer-oriented handling of the order and ensures a flexible, speedy delivery of the agreed supply volumes to the authorized Twster distributors worldwide. Permanent product monitoring and learning from the experiences made by the customer in the bowling center forms the basis for future developments and improvements in the test laboratory, also under simulation of the tough bowling center environment. After performing an extensive test sequence, the next strength of the Twster is dynamically and statically at the highest level. At drop heights of more than 500 millimeters, Twster reacts with a relaxed flexing of the head. Whereas whereas conventional wood pins can already simply fail at drop heights of 430 millimeters and less. What are the limits of the twister pin? Approximately 12 tons operating weight of a vibrating roller go over the twister as line load along the longitudinal axis. The result, only slight superficial bruising with hardly any deformation. Conventional wood pins cannot withstand such a stress. 400 tons pressing force. A stress under which a wooden pin breaks up into individual wooden chips. The synthetic twister pin does change its shape, but remains splinter-free in one piece. An important criterion for the trouble-free interaction of twister, ball and pin setter over its long life with a minimum of maintenance effort.
Our maintenance program with the twister pins is 11 months out of the year. We take it out for 1 month, we clean them, and we decided to purchase a pin spinner cleaning machine that we've used to clean our pins, to keep the maintenance on them so they look just like brand new. No one can tell the difference between the pins that they were in 4 years ago without going down all the way down to the machine to look at them. With the red stripe, it's amazing.
As the only pin with glow stripes in real red, the brilliant white twister shine up under black lighting and turn all moonlight bowlings into a very special kind of event.
Our 34-lane bowling center saved approximately $3,000 per year by using the twister pin. You do not have to buy 136 sets of pins over the 4-year period that you can use the twister pin. The twister pin, you do not have to rest like you do wood pins.
The lowest costs per game, the long durability, the consistent scoreability, the highest neck strength and the minimal maintenance make the profits rise and turn the twister into the pin of the future.